Hello viewers, Flipkart's big saving days will start from 20th December and continue till 25th of December. Currently, Flipkart Super Value Days is going on from 14th of December to 18th of December. In this video, I will talk about the price of few tablets that you can buy right now. If you want to buy Poco Pad 5G, you can buy Poco Pad at around 16,999. The current price of this product is about 18,999 rupees, and if you have HDFC credit card, SBI credit card or ICICI credit card, in that case you will get 2,000 rupees cashback. So the effective price will be 16,999 rupees. Poco Pad is a value for money device. You will get 5G plus Wi-Fi and 128 GB of internal storage by spending around 16,999 rupees. And if you want to buy this tablet with EMI plans, you can also get discounts with EMI options. The next tablet that you can buy is iPad 9th generation. Currently the price of iPad 9th generation 64 GB Wi-Fi version is around 20,000 rupees, and using credit card of Axis Bank you can get 400 rupees cashback. So the effective price will be 19,600 rupees. And if you want to buy this tablet with EMI options, in that case you can get 1,674 rupees cashback on HDFC credit card. If you badly need this tablet right now, only you can buy this tablet. Otherwise you will get more discounts in upcoming deals. iPad 9th generation is a great tablet. Though it is a very old tablet, yet you will get enough processing power from this tablet to satisfy your daily needs. Now if you want to buy Oneplus Pad Go with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, in that case you can buy this tablet at around 14,999 rupees using ICICI credit card. I think this is one of the best offers for this tablet right now. You can buy this tablet if you want a basic OnePlus tablet with all the features. Now if you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi version with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, actually the price of this tablet right now is 21,999 rupees, and using ICICI credit card you will get 2,000 rupees cashback. So the effective price will be 19,999 rupees, but I don't think this is a very good price point for this tablet. So if you badly need this tablet, only you can buy this. Otherwise you should wait for few days. When the next sale will come, you may get deals on this tablet. Right now I would suggest you to skip this tablet. Rather you should buy Poco Pad 5G. If you want to buy iPad 10th generation, in that case the price of this tablet is on the higher side right now. The price of this tablet is 33,490 rupees, and using ICICI credit card you will get 3,000 rupees cashback. So the effective price will be 30,490 rupees. So I would not recommend you to buy this tablet right now. The best price for this tablet is around 26,000 to 27,000 rupees, and if you wait for few days you may get this tablet at around 26 to 27,000 rupees. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 8 GB RAM and 128 GB Wi-Fi version. Many people are asking me about the best price of this tablet. Actually this is a very good tablet, but the price of this product right now is 69,000 rupees, and using HDFC credit card you will get 9,000 rupees cashback. Yet the price of this product is on the higher side. The best price for this tablet is around 45 to 47,000 rupees during offers. So I would recommend you not to buy this tablet right now. If you want to buy this tablet only, in that case you have to wait for few days when the next sale will come. Maybe in that sale you can get discounts on this tablet. So these are some tablets that people were asking me about the price, so I made this video. If you want to know about the best price of any tablet, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. A lot of people actually watch my videos but they don't subscribe the channel. I would request you to subscribe the channel to get more information about tablets and smartphones and also about the right use of tablets. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.